We want to know how much work must the thrusters do. Oh my goodness, this is really hard. How are we going to do this? Oh, it's learning time! Physics! Whoa! In order to solve this problem, let's draw a picture. That's awesome! We can add a little bit of grass. Oh, hey, look, there's a happy bush off to the side. That'll be very useful. Just let your creativity flow. I just rotated it. I didn't actually make gravity go in a different direction. It's still going down. I just rotated my perspective. As if it can shoot a laser beam to kill the monkey. But of course, it's not shooting a laser beam. It's shooting this projectile. So we're asked to find the escape speed of Neptune. So how are we going to do that? Well, first off, we got to know some information about Neptune itself. As we can see from our solar systems, we got Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Wow! Neptune, what we're going to need. Hello there, kids. Welcome to Bohr's Clues. Today, we're going to help you out with this particular problem. A binary star system has 2 stars, which is a good like 3 or 4 meters away. And we'll have an inset over here. I feel like Vanna White or something. That would be awesome if it magically, why, there you are. That would be awesome. There's our little laser point. This laser point is showing where the laser is bouncing off of the mirror onto the wall. Oh, Toodles! Hi there, Toodles. Yes, wow, as we can see, the Math-Ca-Tools, we are going to have 2 different options. For this,